Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate bump chart in Tableau. So for this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, variables are divided into two sections. The first part, this consists of dimensions. Basically, dimensions are categorical variables, and this is measures. Measures are continuous variable. I'll drag and drop order date into the columns. Now I want to generate the rank, the unique rank on the basis of the sales generated by the states. So for this, I'll go here in the calculated field, create the calculated field. I want the state rank. Now click here, write down rank unique. Now this rank has to be generated on the basis of total sum of sales. So let us pick up this, complete the bracket. As soon as I get here, the calculation is valid, click OK. And we have got the ranks. Now drag and drop state rank to the rows. Pick up the states from here. Um, yeah, from the location, pick up the states and drop it into the column. Activate the entire view. Now pick up the region from here and drop it into the filters. We want to work on the West region. Click OK. Now you go here and activate compute using the state. So these are the ranks which we have got. So at present, the first rank is at the lower bottom. We want to inverse the axis or we want to reverse the axis. Click here, right click, edit axis and activate the reverse. So the top priority, the top rank will come here. See, the first rank. Now I will create two different charts from this. So press Control Shift, drag it and drop it here, and two charts will come into the existence, the first one and the second one. Now in the marks, you will have all, state rank delta, state rank 2 delta. So this is delta and this is 2 delta. So from this, activate the shape and all circles will appear. Click here and activate the dual axis. So the circles will superimpose the lines. Now we are having axis on both the sides, this side also and this side also. We want to remove this header, right click, show the header. So now the header will be only on one side. Now in both the marks, either it is delta, state rank delta or state rank 2 delta, country will be there. Remove the country from here also and from here also. So now we are left out with the states only. The next thing which we want to do is we want to represent each state with a different shape. So I'll pick up the state from here and drop it into the shape. You can see here the asterisk represents Montana. So you can see here the triangle represents New Mexico. So what is our interpretation? On the first rank in 2018, according to the sales, Montana was appearing. Then Montana was in 2019 also first rank, but in the sales in 2020, New Mexico was on the top, and then Idaho. Similarly, the bottommost is California, 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 and California. So California is not doing well in the sales. Now, if I want to do the analysis according to the segment, that is also possible. Pick up from here, drop it here. So consumer, corporate, which is at the top. In 2018, according to the segment. In 2019, according to the segment. 2020, according to the segment. So this is a way you can generate bump charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.